11th. Basically, we will be celebrating my despedida and my graduation since I have just graduated last June. My sibling is currently driving and I feel like she's nervous.
I'm very anxious when I don't see things.
Yeah, and it's also raining. We're gonna pick up our cousins because they're gonna help us with the preparation for the decor.
Hi guys! So, nakarating na po kami sa resort. Making balloons right now kasi DIY itong celebration na to.
Pwede yung iba siguro dyan eh.
Hi to my YouTube!
Hello po, Team Raisa, Mangantana. Pwede tayo mga Team Raisa. Mangantana.
Kain po tayo, Team Raisa.
Magkakasya kayo dyan, mga anak.
Pwede naman kami samahan dito.
Bakit mo sila pinakain ka
Ano tayo
lang?
katabi? Huwag niyong pinipilis.
Space daw.
Ayaw naman nila kami.
What if... what if we're...
Wait lang, walang kakain. Saan ginagawa natin? We're playing Secret Hitler. I'm liberal po ako. Ako sa akin yun. Ako ulit! Ako ulit! Nice one, teammate! Wala kang makukuha!
Ako yung kita niyo, di naman ako pinagtanggol.
Paano natin ipapagtanggol yung Hitler na nagbo-volunteer?
Hitler yes or no?
Nasaan si Mars na Hitler?
Ayaw nga!
Hi everyone! So, right now, umiinom na po kami. Ang mga kabataan ay nasa loob pa dahil sila ay nagpi-pregame pero kami ay nasa ano na talaga, real deal.
Ikaw na po. Pero ngayon,
Ako na guys.
alam mo yung single singles?
Guys, we're playing right now.
Kami formation.
Superman! swimming and for you on the corner of the street.
I'm not moving.
Okay ka ba, Emmy?
We're having fun. Hey guys.
Yan, ayan sila tita, taking care of you. Guys, we are everyone is so drunk right now. We are having a debrief of how to do it. Kasi, wow!
Pwede na yan, ma'am. Sabay. Dapat hindi na lahat. Ayun, sabi ng tasan, di ba?
Water. Where? Water to.
Explain ko muna kung sino to.
Alam ko masarap yan. Ikaw na. Message for her.
Akin, charing.
Ah.
Anyways, ayun nga, going back, of course, very, bon voyage sa iyong journey in your life. And though hindi namin alam kung ano ang iyong haharapin in the next future, in the next days to come, pero of course, we know that you can do it. We know your capabilities. We know who you are. And with that, alam namin kung gaano ka kalakas, kung gaano ka kasipag, kung gaano ka katalino. Takpan ng Hughes ang ating rehab queen. Pero with that, of course, we wish you good luck, break a leg, do everything you want, go wild, go do whatever it is that you desire. Pero of course, always know that we'll be here for you to support you, and we love you very much. Love you.
Hi, you're a great leader and a friend to many. And I just want to keep this short. You are loved and we always be praying for your success in your journey. And I hope that you carry us wherever you go. That's right. Oh, ikaw.
Hi Sky, thank you for everything. Mga patient mo sa groupin natin sa practical research, and for 2 years, thank you for everything na ginawa mo, and take Sky.
Please know that we're cheering on you all the way from the sea.
Parang masasig pa siya sa atin.
From the Philippines.
Woo! Philippines now, guys! Philippines! Woo!
Hi, Skylar. I'll be missing you and I love you so much. Safe Sky is okay and I hope your dreams will come true. Love you.
Yeah!
My message for Christine Skylar is, I wish once you get there in US, please change enough to adapt to your environment and keep striving enough to get better.
Oh my god, guys. Wala akong mic right now, but I'm making my soup. Sobrang lasing nila. Ako din, actually. No. They think I'm weird. We're gonna eat later. I'm gonna swim. So, basically, what happened last night, kanina lang pala. 5 a.m. in the morning, we were in this pool. Ang pinaka-last man standing is ako, si Sid, si Jello, and si Icy. Oh my God. So, anyway, we had so much fun, and I don't know what happened to Sid after. Guys, if you're wondering bakit ang daming na-wasted kagabi, ang dami talaga naming ininom. This is not even half of everything. This is not half of everything.
dami, di ba? Tapos nakailan pa kami ng hard drinks kasi chaser namin is beer. Sino hindi mawa-wasted?